bullish Algorand, Algo, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.60234 and $1.14 by 2030. Market investigators accept Algo could reach $0.468486 by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.107083. Algorand, Algo, presentation. The Algorand, Algo, digital currency, has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its origin in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbase to foster El Salvador's digital money framework. The cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. In spite of the fact that it has accordingly lost most of these additions, examiners and sites that figure costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then, at that point? How about we look at the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and analyze its cost improvement? What is Algorand? Algo, the Algorand blockchain, which intends to answer the oddity of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local money. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement procedure called unadulterated verification of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval panel are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Establishment of Innovation, MIT, in the US, and its blockchain and neighborhood money appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost in a flash fell a day after presentation. Algorand is at present worth $0.133853 United States dollars. Algo has moved 6.70% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $41,663,348. Algorand is presently position 43 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $970,481,163 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand, Algo. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Algorand, Algo, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Algo, the Algo cost gauge for 2023. Expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.198818. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.185564 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.159055. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $0.331364. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Algo's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.265091 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.291600. Algorand, Algo, value forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025. It could reach $0.463909, and Algo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.424146 and a low of $0.397637 in 2025. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2026. Assuming Algorand effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the Algo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Algo will be green in 2026. The Algo is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.596455 with a base cost of $0.530182 and a typical cost of $0.556691. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the algo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.689237 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.662728 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Algo has a most extreme value worth of $0.729000. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.821782. In the event that Algo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.861546. Neglecting to assemble the help Algo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.795273. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2029. While Algo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.927819 and a yearly cost close above $0.994091 in 2029. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Algorand will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.06 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.13, averaging out at $1.09. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own examination. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme algo cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.30 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.25. And it ought to be noticed that the cost of the token has outperformed opposition levels on the overall strength record, giving further certain conjunction for the momentary value projection of the algo coin. To partake in extra upturns, brokers ought to contemplate scaling into the computerized resource, as a critical retracement is both possible and unforeseeable. The token prior put in major areas of strength for A, keeping up with above earlier standards, and setting another record high. All things considered, Algo's unpredictability, which is run-of-the-mill of lower-esteemed digital currencies, was obviously apparent. Financial backers and Algorand will trust it can notice gauges and change its ongoing leap forward into a drawn-out bounce back subsequent to losing most of its early